Assalamualaikum. Alright, Mr. B here. Thank you for watching my video. Alright, I'm at the National Orchid Garden of Singapore. Yep, there's quite a number of orchids. Well, I'm not quite a fan of orchid. Not because I don't like orchid, but I don't really grow orchids. But there's something which I like to show you. Something which I just learn about orchids. So one thing which I ask myself is that what is so unique about orchid, or what makes an orchid flower an orchid? So that's going to show you a bit something interesting. Just let's switch over. Alright, so we got a orchid here named after the His Excellency Imam Ali Rahman. Alright, President of Tajikistan, then President of Republic of Tajikistan. Anyway, let's focus a bit on the orchid. So you can see that, so for an orchid, one look, you will see it as like a flower with 5 petals. Alright, but actually it's not. Okay, you will notice that for this orchid, look at this part, 1, 2, 3, they are similar. Alright, these are what we call the sepals. The petals of the orchid flower is actually 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and these 3. Alright, this is the third one, also called a petal, or what we call a modified petal, which makes it look like a small lip sticking out from the flower itself. Let's have a second look at another sample here. Alright, so again, we've got this guy here, this pointy thing, 1, 2, and 3. So these are the sepals, and 1, 2, and 3, these are the the petals. Okay, and again the middle one is like a modified lip, or called a labellium. Let's have another example here. Alright, one last example. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, similar. So we got 1, 2, and 3, which are called the sepals. You've got the petals, 1, 2, and 3. In this case, the petal is a purplish lip or purplish labellum. So what I find interesting about orchids is that the fact that it's got the labellum is an interesting feature, because this labellum actually allows the pollinators, the bees, dragonflies, they would actually land on this labellum and to sit there comfortably and feed on the nectar. In doing so, it's pollinating the flower. Alright, so MasyaAllah, it's a very interesting feature, which we can consider it as a structural adaptation of the flower to allow it to be easily pollinated by the pollinators. MasyaAllah. Okay, so just something to take note of. Thank you for watching. Alright, something that I can like to share with you.